Hello, how you doing? I hope you guys all had a happy Mother's Day. And if you're a man, I hope you treated your wife to a happy Mother's Day. And welcome back. My name is Robin and this is my channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like them. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So today I have a Mother's Day edition Glossybox. I don't subscribe to Glossybox. I did for a while, maybe 7-8 months, but I stopped because there are a lot of sample sizes, and just like the Ipsies and some of the other ones, I didn't really use them, and then I forget about them, and but I noticed Glossybox had this really nice Mother's Day box, so I thought I'd treat myself to that. And I think for a one-time purchase, it was $35. So I have it, and I'm going to open it with you guys. I don't know how many of you purchased this box, but I did see, I think, 1 or 2 unboxings of it, and I'm glad that I was able to get in because I think they sold out. There was a choice of pink and blue, and I got the pink. I think the items in the box are the same, but there was just that choice of the box color, and it says handpicked just for you. So let's see what's in here. So it comes really nicely packaged. And it almost looks like a Mother's Day card, and then it's got all the items that are going to be in the box. So let's get into it. And a little string, and of course I think most everybody saves these boxes because they're so nice to pour things in. And oh my goodness, look at everything in there. So the first thing is a sample of Angel perfume. I'm not going to open it because of my allergies. I could go on a sneezing fit that could last for days. So I will put this aside, but I'm excited to try it. And next thing is by Bumble and Bumble, and it's a styling leave-in conditioner. And I love anything made by them. I got turned on to this probably back in my late teens or 20s, and this is the best stuff, and it smells delicious. And of course, can't open that either. Let's go over some prices so I don't forget. The Bumble and Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In is $29, and the little sample is worth $4, which cracks me up that they're going to charge you for a sample after you paid for a box. And the next thing is Authentic Beauty Concept, and I just got a box. Was it the AI Beauty that had a bunch of this stuff in it, and it's for damaged hair, and it's a mask, and I love masks. And this retails for $10, and it all gives you directions on how to use it. Then we have by Foy CBD Relief Cream, Organic Essential, and I don't know if it's an all over, if it's a face. Massage onto the area causing pain. So you can put it on knees, elbows, wash hands after use, and it retails for $8. And then we got another cute little thing by Bioderm, and it's a moisturizer, so that could go all over the place. Then we got cosmetics, and we've gotten these in beauty boxes before. So is it a lippy stick? It's the lipstick, and let's see what color this is. Ooh, now this is a pretty case. It's a pretty color. I'm not sure if it's going to be too dark. See that? I'm going to try it. Ooh. Some of these lipsticks you can lighten up. Putting something on before or after, but I don't know. I did my box before this, so I have quite the color collection going. But yeah, that might be a little dark. I'll have to play with it. Let's see. And that goes for $18. Then we have, and these look, well, those are small, but this looks like a full-size herbal youth oil, plant-based, and this is, apply a few drops on on your palm or directly onto skin before massaging it around the face, focusing on wrinkle-prone areas. Got those. Use in the morning before makeup and in the evening before bed. So oils are very good for your skin. I do have them, so I will definitely use that. And our oil, oh, must be a back page. Bioderm. Snow Fox. Okay. Here it is, Snow Fox, and that retails for $82. And I said it looks like a full size. And the Bioderm, a retail was $12.50 for a full size, but I don't think this was a full size. So there's one more thing in the bag, or the box. And I think this is a great little Mother's Day gift. Oh, we have some aviators. Now these are kind of big. Not sure if they're going to be Mama Robin glasses, but you'll have to give me your opinion. Are you ready? Get your cameras out. Of course I don't have mine. Okay, this is so annoying. What do you think? I have a crooked nose, I think. What do you think? They're not bad. My glasses disappear between leaving them here, leaving in Washington, leaving them in the bike, leaving them on a restaurant table. And the glasses are by Mugler, and they are $55. So I don't know the total price of the box. I'll put it below. Oh, it says it's worth over $145. And I paid $35. And as I says, I just got a one-off. I don't get this every month. I don't get the beauty box every month. But we got the oil, this lipstick, which, yeah, it probably won't work on me. And the sunglasses. I'm most excited for this and maybe the mask. So let me know what you thought of it. Let me know what you did exciting for Mother's Day, and if you got any really cool gifts. So thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.